Hi people, let me show you today this Samsung T7 SSD external hard drive. So it's 2 terabyte, it's 1050 megabits per second. So it has 3 years warranty, it has password protection, also 2-meter drop resistance. So it's really nice if it's everything like that. So you have measurements from this side, and let's unbox it and see what's inside. So box is empty, so we have here box. Okay, oh, very nice. It looks like this. It's fit in my palm, and look how thin it is. For example, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max, so you have almost 3 of this, and look how thin it is. So pretty nice. For example, I have here this Western Digital HD drive, so hard disk drive, and it's really good, but this is way more faster. And look how much space you will use it in your bag or something like that. So you cannot compare these two devices. So let's see what else we have. Okay, you have one open. I didn't mention that I saw it has sorry, maybe 3 years warranty, so it's really nice. Okay, we have 2 cables here, USB type A to type C and type C to type C. Why is this good and why is important? Of this Windows laptop I don't have USB type C, so when I will record gameplay from PlayStation, I can directly plug this in with USB type C, it's no problem. But if I record here with OBS, I need to have USB type A, so I can transfer data here. I will edit on Mac OS here, so Mac Mini, it will be easy, plug it and to see how this goes. So it's really thin. So let's plug this in to see what we will get. Okay, immediately it's open immediately. Okay, Magician Launcher X, okay, good. Let's eject disk. Very nice. So plug out, plug in. We will scan this for threads. No threads detect. Okay, so it's easy to open. So let's transfer some data. For example, I will transfer this 14 gigabytes per second. 14 gigabytes data. I don't know, can you see, but how fast this go? 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, it's really fast. It's really fast. So I will use this. It's almost 10 gigabytes. Really fast. I'm really satisfied how this goes. Let's make something like this. So let's use HD drive, hard disk drive, and this drive. Let's open and let's transfer the same amount of data. We need to wait to open here. It's not opened yet, so how slow it is. I hear it's working, it's vibrating, but I doesn't have it here yet, so let's see how fast. Now it came video black. Look how SSD came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already here. I didn't see that. Okay, so Western Digital, we have it here. So let's transfer another time. One more here and one more here. So 9 gigabyte. It's almost on half. Here is 400 megabyte. I don't know, can you see that? You can't. Okay, so it's almost finished. SSD here is 1.4 gigabyte. Look how this fast is. It's finished. And we have here 2 gigabyte. We need about 2 minutes. So this is really advantage when you work with SSDs and everything. What else? You can plug it PlayStation, Xbox, Mac, Android. Also, if you have USB Type-C iPhone from 15 and later, you can also use it Type-C to Type-C. So really, really nice. I will stop this. It's even half. So I'm really satisfied with this shopping, and I hope in the future I will buy more of them because I need to record gameplay. And what is else? When I have such speed SSD, I don't need to transfer data on Mac, then use it to edit. I can directly edit from SSD, and that's all. So I can, like I said, I can highly recommend this product. So let's eject this. It won't stop. So guys, I hope you like this video. Like I said, Samsung T7, really beast of SSDs. Thanks for watching and see you in some another. Bye.